To show us light in the darkest nights, taught us value, gave us sight. You gave us bread when we had none, taught us coins how to rise and run. From broken dreams to blockchain schemes, you built a family, built a team. You never asked for anything back, you paved the way for every track. You showed us light in the darkest nights, taught us value, gave us sight. You gave us bread when we had none, taught us coins how to rise and run. From broken dreams to blockchain schemes, you built a family. You never asked for anything back, you paved the way for every track. Oh, you're the legend we need, the crystal Lord setting us free. Oh, you believe in we feeding soul for truth and strategy. Thank you for the fight, for the need to know you want all the lives you want. You're the king, stars on crypto wings. You fed our mouths and fed our minds, taught us wealth from charts and signs. From zero and nodes, from fear to gain, you taught us how to rise through pain. You gave your time, you gave your all, you taught us each time we would fall. Now we shine cause you said we could. Now we stand cause you said we should. Oh, not me, you're the legend we need, the crypto Lord setting us free. Oh, not me, you believe in we feeding soul for truth and strategy. Thank you for the fight, for the need to know you want all the lives you want. You're the king, stars on crypto wings. You're a light guiding us through every fight. In a world of things, you stay true. I'm never afraid, the chosen few. Oh, not me, you're the legend we need, the crypto Lord setting us free. Oh, not me, you believe in we feeding soul for truth and strategy. Thank you for the fight, for the need to know you want all the lives you want. You're the stars on crypto wings. Media, to the analysts, to the mentors, we honor you today. For your sacrifices, your selfless love, your wisdom. Thank you for building us. We'll carry your fire to the end of the year. You believe we feeding soul for truth and strategy. You want all the lives you want. You're the king, stars on crypto wings. Media, to the analyst, the techie, the mentor, we honor you today for your sacrifices, your selfless love, your wisdom. Thank you for building us. We'll carry your fire to the ends of the earth. Topvee forever. This is the Topvee media family. Our mentors, our leaders. We see your sacrifices. We carry you in our hearts. We are forever grateful.
And thank you to York's money for your patience and spirit of selfless giving, for standing tall, defending truth with grace. You shine so bright, you light our space.
Most info, we honor your hospitality. Your eloquent teaching brings us clarity. Every word you speak builds our minds.
Your wisdom stands the test of time. We celebrate you, we celebrate you. We are grateful to, forever grateful. The media mentor, strong and true. Rise today to honor you. Cryptochemistry, the analyst we know. Your skills in teaching continue to grow. You break it down, you make it clear. Your knowledge is a gift we hold so dear. Rising phonics, your spirit inspires. You keep us steady, you lift us higher. Your words encourage us to hold on strong. Your voice is hope, your heart is a song. We celebrate you, we celebrate you. We are grateful to, forever grateful. The media mentor, strong and true. Rise today to honor you. We celebrate you, we are grateful to, forever grateful. The media mentor, strong and true. We rise today to honor you. Dorcas, our secretary, who stands so tall. Barrister in the making, we applaud it all. Congratulations to you on the path you take. We are proud of you in every step you make. Crypto Joe, a leader we respect. Your guidance and wisdom we won't forget. Your love for all your sacrifice, your love for the family is more than twice. We celebrate you, we celebrate you. We are grateful to, forever grateful. The media mentor, strong and true. Rise today to honor you. We celebrate you, we are grateful to, forever grateful. The media mentor, strong and true. We rise today to honor you. But above them all, we lift one name. Professor Topvee, eternal flame. Your kindness is true, so deep. Your vision is a treasure we all must keep. But above them all, we lift one name. Professor Topvee, eternal flame. Your kindness is true, your love so deep. Your vision is a treasure we all must keep. Your money, most info, cryptochemistry, rising phonics, Dorcas, Crypto Joe, Jalopy, and our leader, Professor Topvee. We notice you, we appreciate you, we are forever grateful, we celebrate you. We know you, we appreciate you, we are forever grateful, we celebrate you.
Together. From the mic to the screen, we're bringing the light. Voices of the future shine and so bright. Dreams in motion, we break every chain. Topvee Media, remember the name. Who's leading the way? Who's shining today? Who is building dreams that never fade? Topvee Media, stop the board. Voices of the future, dawn. We slowly grow from Africa to the world. Let the whole world know. Let the whole world know. Podcast stories, visions untold. Young hearts, strong minds, courage so bold. Together we rise, together we stand. Topvee Media, the future's in our hands. Who's leading the way? Who's shining today? Who is building dreams that never fade? Topvee Media, stop the board. Voices of the future in the brighter dawn. We slowly grow from Africa to the world. Let the whole world know. Let the whole world know. Let the whole world know. Stories, visions untold. Minds, courage so bold. Together we rise, together we stand. Topvee Media, the future's in our hands. Who's leading the way? Who's shining today? Shining today. Who's shining today? Dreams that never fade. Topvee Media. Let the whole world know.
Topvee Media, your voice, your future.
your world. Who gave you the stars? Who gave you the stars? Who they show the way? Who they show the way? Who could change your life? To finish your life. Yeah, now we the light up the mind. Crypto, tech, and business combined. Young stars they rise, not decline. So feeling jump to make you shine. No darling, no sleeping. And Topvee they keep you winning. Crypto long, tech guys how we did. For business matter, we sabi the way. Topvee me jai bubu so puro. Topvee me jai wanya ba tutu. With your power. Topvee me just shine your eyes now, put more. One take poster. And Topvee they change your destiny. Oh, they chop for my dear come. They put my yellow. Now they do the flow where my fall. It's not let the flow, no fall behind. Crypto, that we they teach for free. Don't be major. Now we keep it with you, no darling, no sleeping. And Topvee they keep you winning. Crypto on that's how we do. For business matter, we sabi the way. Baby, jai kabu so puro. You Topvee jai wanya ba tutu. With your power, baby, just shine your eyes now, put more light and poster. And Topvee they change your destiny. Oh, no darling, no sleeping. And Topvee they keep you winning. Crypto long, tech that's how we do. For business matter, we sabi the way. Topvee jai bubu so puro. Topvee jai wanya ba tutu. Together we go. Topvee reach another place to go. Oh. They chop up on my dear core. I treat them like on you. Now they the flow and my fall. The knowledge the flow, no fall behind. Crypto that we teach for free. Don't be major. And we keep taking no darling, no sleeping. And Topvee they keep you winning. Crypto long, that's how we do. For business matter, we sabi the way. Topvee me jai bubu so puro. Topvee me jai wanya ba tutu. Together we dey grow. Topvee reach another place to go. Oh. Hey, Topvee, we rise together.
From the night to the screen, we're breaking the light. Voices of the future shining so bright. Dreams in motion, we break every chain. Topvee Media, remember the name. Who's leading the way? Who's shining today? Who is building dreams that never fade? Topvee Media. What you talk today, but the Topvee Media. We fire, we grow, you're the world, podcast stories, visions untold. Young, with courage, so bold. Together we rise, together we stand. Topvee Media, the future's in our hands. Who's leading the way? Who's shining the day? Who is building dreams that never fade? Topvee Media. Voices of today. We inspire, we grow. The world, let the whole world know. Stories, visions untold. Young hearts, strong minds, courage, so bold. Together we rise, together we stand. Topvee Media, the future's in our hands. Who's leading the way? Who's shining today? Who is building dreams that never fade? Topvee Media. Inspire, we grow. The world, let the whole world know. It's our time today. Media, building dreams that never fade. Media, media. The stars are born, voices of today, building a brighter dawn. We inspire, we grow, the future is ours, let the whole world know. Media, your voice, your digital.
Who gave you the stars? Who they show the way? Who they show the way? Who could change your life? To finish your life. Yeah, now we the light up the mind. Crypto, tech, and business combined. Young stars they rise, no decline. Topvee jump to make you shine. No darling, no sleeping. And Topvee they keep you winning. Crypto, long tech guides how we get. For business matter, we sabi the way. Topvee jai bubu so puro. Within you. Topvee jai wanya batutu. Within your power. Topvee just shine your eyes, put more. One take poster. And Topvee they change your destiny. Oh, the job for my dear come. The puna yell. Knowledge in the flow where my fall. Knowledge the flow, no fall behind. Crypto that they teach for free to be vigilant. Now we keep it with you, no darling, no sleeping. And Topvee they keep you winning. Crypto not that's how we get. For business matter, we sabi the way. Topvee jai bubu so puro. You way, you way. Topvee jai wanya batutu. Within your power, within your power. Topvee just shine your eyes, put more poster. And Topvee they change your destiny. Oh, no darling, no sleeping. And Topvee they keep you winning. Crypto long tech, that's how we get. For business matter, we sabi the way. Topvee jai bubu so puro. Topvee jai wanya batutu. Get out here, go. Topvee reach and the place to go. Oh. The choco bomb on the go. I feel the corner, yo. Knowledge in the flow, and my fall. The knowledge, the flow, no fall behind. Crypto that we teach for free, don't be major. And we keep teaching, no darling, no sleeping. And Topvee they keep you winning. Crypto long, that's how we get. For business matter, we shopping the way. Topvee jai bubu so puro. Topvee jai wanya batutu. Get out with it, get out with it, go. Topvee reach and the place to go. Oh. From your soldiers, your seeds forever grateful. To show this light in the darkest nights, taught us value, gave us sight. You gave us bread when we had none, taught us coins how to rise and run. From broken dreams to blockchain schemes, you built a family, you built a team. You never asked for anything back, you paved the way, lit every track. Oh, you're the legend we need. The crypto lord setting lives free. Oh, Topvee, you believe in we feeding soul with truth and strategy. Thank you for the fight, for the things you know. You want all the lives you want. You're not a king, it's stars on crypto wings. You fed our mouths and fed our minds, taught us wealth from charts and signs. From growing notes, from fear to gain, you taught us how to rise to pain. Gave you time, you gave your all. You got us each time we would fall. Now we shine cause you said we could. Now we stand cause you said we should. Oh, not me, you're the legend we need. The truth always letting my way.
Okay. GM, everyone. Bitcoin is down hours. Yeah. Ready to table. Benefit. Pumping up. Coin. Up cheap. Apologies. Okay. Ready for analysis? Let's go. Okay. Beautiful time again this morning. Hmm. Market. Everything happened today. I've just one day. Just the dump. Just dump. Yeah. Listen. Yeah. Some of you have been waiting for left. Okay. Those that are still active waiting for me. I'm here now. Okay, my people, my friends, every one of you, thank you for waiting. Thank you for being active. It's not easy. I watch football. I watch Champions League TV. Not easy. Our time in Asia, watch football is very, very different, like Africa. Watch the last match started by 3 a.m. Imagine starting the match by 3 a.m. You know when it's going to finish. So give it 2 hours, let's say around 5 o'clock. Match will finish. And I was still on my analysis watching Bitcoin doing all the whole show. Before I sleep was around 6. Immediately, don't wake up again. But for the love of what we are. My body is not feeling. I sleep and do in the day. Of those that let me just wake up and start something for them. Probably we can do that once later. So guys, I want to say that Facebook, YouTube, Twitch, and X. Thank you very much. Okay, so in case you are wondering what this is, Echo, this what is I know. I was doing trading while I was watching. Bitcoin did something funny yesterday. You know that Bitcoin has been keeping CME gap since around around this 168 something. Bitcoin refused turning all over this CME gap, reaching last night here, night here. Bitcoin was pumping like I was. What is pumping this guy? Where is this guy going? Where is this guy trying to go? And did all he could make sure that CME can pump. have to close the CME gap. Like the gap that is supposed to have closed since. He has all it takes to close the CME gap. He refused to until last night. He came to close the gap last night. That was why I didn't sleep. I want to know what this guy actually wanted. After he closed the CME gap, now rejected and turned that hour not close. Dodge. Not close. So I was not focusing on Bitcoin last night because I wasn't on Solana. Bitcoin was actually pumping alone last night. Though Solana was pumping, but was not pumping like Bitcoin. After Solana did this high last night, after he went back to 240, was not pumping like Bitcoin. Bitcoin was doing his thing. So Solana was doing up and down, up and down. So I was following Solana, marking all these things because I was trading Solana while I was watching, but I was trading. I know that Solana is not actually not too bullish that last night. Bitcoin actually want to take dominance last night. So the Bitcoin dominance tried to pump to 5.38, not almost 5.40 last night. 5.30 was all throughout last night. Now, this market, I see liquidity, money. People loading money last night. Money was flowing inside the market like we are loading money. Money was coming in. I say, what is happening here? Waiting they happen here. They loaded that money just to go and what? Close the CME gap. Why did they close CME gap yesterday? Fighting to close CME gap. Why are we not supposed to have a volatility that will cover the CME gap? Why were they forcing to close CME gap last night? I was busy thinking about this thing. Why are they forcing to close CME gap last night? CME gap that will close in one. Even immediately, Powell is standing up to go to the podium to read his speech. CME gap that will cover immediately. Why were they fighting to close it last night? Why? Do you think about this thing? Were you thinking alongside with me? Why fighting to close all the CME gap last night? Why? The thing keep giving me concern. Why were they fighting that? Did they know something that we don't know? Probably that's going on. You should load up now. What's going on? Load up. Famous record. Why is this so? Going on the daily. So does that Bitcoin are going into after they close the CME gap. They drop this in for you. Hope you know this. You know this man. They drop this man. And since they drop this man, market has been dumping. as another chart is no longer looking encouraging to that has been scattered with. So guys, they have given you the warning, right? This is they use this man to close the CME gap. Now I was asking myself why they rush to. Okay, so for now, the dump, right? This is dump, right? This. How many of you remember this day when I was teaching? Yesterday, they left something here. They left this one. Have come to use. This is what they checked after the other things. Came back, take the highs. Because these are where the CME buying came after this highs. But the CME paid by it. Now, what is the next thing they're going to do? People are going to chase after them. What they will do now? People will be loading up here. What they're going to do now is pass this man and go up. Tap all the others. Dump it. If they do this thing they want to do right now, I know it's been a while we had this kind of evening star. It's been a while we had this is how evening star used to form that year. If they do this, if they form this kind of evening star, where this particular one not take the highs, that means there is a standing here. They do this now. If this man started dumping like this, dump, continuation, continue dumping. See, what they just did was what? Inform you that they are coming back here. I could have risen this thing. I could have. So I'm special. So I could have created a new short for Bitcoin. Came to my new short for Bitcoin and another exchange. They might decide to play this thing up. I not come up here again. Night. Like till our morning. 7 p.m. Our morning. PM. They might decide not to reverse this candle up. They might decide to dump it. They decide to dumping it and close this 4 hours. This evening start. They might decide to do that. The reason why they will do it is that they are now you know that we are coming back here. They're coming back. Take this highs. So they are now aware that you'll be loading, you'll be shorting here. You'll be loading up your stop loss, your orders, everything is. Like if they don't see it, they will not go down. And tap all this left over and tap all of them. And later they will back. Later they'll come back for you. Nothing that only those that put stop loss, those that profit. Yes, if they did not return this man up here, what they'll call. We have 2 hours plus. If they fail to return this man up and take the highs of this, that means they are coming back. That's what they say. That's why I'm telling you not to forget. Coming. I call understand it. These have expired. They have taken them out. I've done it. That's why if you watch my Solana, you see where I write Solana new. Create new. I will write it so that I'm going to check. That was what I did last night. About time frame. I can see that Bitcoin and it's trying to dump the data right now. Dominance. Dominance is right new. Solana must come here. Left to 40. Solana is coming back. Threat at 1. Solana is coming. If Solana start today, Solana should start today. Try to start dumping. They're going down. This one they have cleared this one. That was where I took my profit. I slept to tap this stop loss. Well, I slept off. Top final I have taken. Let me take my letter. I finished it. Happen. Happen as in only Solana. Solana has movement. I'm scared. Happen only Solana movement is very fast. Very fast movement. I just look for all the liquidity. I think that they might bring their liquidity on the nearest liquidity. I shop here. They have not come here. This one was fair. All these places are what we call support and resistance. That they came to this now. You can see they came to this and they bounced. But so came to this and they bounced back. Now creating a new support. After they have bounced and they will clear it. Now they have taken the money for the others here. The people, the stop loss are here. And they have taken their forgotten money, the money they left behind. They have taken it. Now, this is another one with the spike. This one now, they will come to the letter. Any next movement, come here. Then this one. This one now is now. Right, so kind of trade I'm doing. I hope some of you might not understand it, sharp. But people that will understand it more is people that are doing SMC. They are the ones that will understand it more. Attacking because I'm far from my phone. I don't even know people that are on Facebook, whether Facebook people they hear me at all. So I'm not using my earphone. Facebook people, when they hear me at all. So now let's go to today's analysis. What are we expecting to do? What did the market say? What are we going to do in the market today? What Bitcoin saying? Ladies and gentlemen, Bitcoin closed on the daily with a morning star. Where closed? Bitcoin showing us 20. Right, thank you, Paradise. Thank you, Abubakar. I respond. Thank you, every one of you. So Bitcoin closed with what we call a morning star. Now, what is the possibility that Bitcoin is going to give us a continuation of this pattern? What is the possibility? First of all, because of this pattern that formed right here, I did not take the lows dodgy. What does that mean? It means that we are going to have a retracement probably around here. Then we'll move up again, moving up and down here. From here, we'll be moving up. Now, they might keep pushing up us up and down, because they are trying to maintain the morning star that they form. Unless they want to aim it, they can invalidate this morning star that they form right here. They can decide to what? Invalidate it, because they have their plans for today. Now, this is where this thing closes very well. So I'm expected to see at least a breakout, because we have resistance right here. All these are resistance. They are new orders. They are orders that want to be taken. There are leftovers in the market. The market might want to take them. This man and all these guys, they are the ones stopping the market from moving right now. They are the ones that stop Bitcoin going further up. So the Bitcoin might decide to come and what? Take all of them, take all these orders. They might decide to spike, come here, get all of them, and return back. Market to start dumping. They might also decide to what? Go down first and come back there. But because this is this is a morning star, so I expect this morning star at least to perform first. Give us a little breakout. Even if we try it here and reject, at least make it hit this first resistance level. Let it just go and tap it. Even if it's going to reject. So that this is a morning star performed. Not every morning star performs. Some of them do perform, because pattern has formed. This is called a pattern. Actually formed. What are we waiting for right now? We're waiting for what? Confirmation. We need to see confirmation that, okay, this morning star is going to stand. In a process where it did not break out, close where bodily close, that means it is invalidated. So this guy right now is facing a resistance. You can see them. They are standing at the front. These are the armies stopping him from coming up. Trying to go up. This one saying no. This one is saying no. This one is saying no to these breakouts. So will Bitcoin break out, or will Bitcoin them and dump? This is the question. Then we now go to 4 hours. 4 hours, what are you saying? Daily formed morning star. 4 hours formed evening star. You see where the problem starts? Daily formed morning star. 4 hours formed evening star. See the fights between both of them. Now, should daily break out of his own morning star, if daily should break out of his own morning star, it means that he's going to take the highs of this evening star of 4 hours. Can you see that? He's going to take the highs of this evening star on the 4 hours. And the 4 hours evening star is trying to maintain steals. It doesn't want to be broken. The 4 hours want to continue dumping first. With the evening star want to start dumping first. Evening star want to form his own pattern. Since the morning star has formed his own pattern on the daily, evening star want to form his own pattern on the 4 hours. Then let us now talk about confirmations. Both of them will now be looking for confirmation. Okay, since daily is more powerful than 4 hours, who should respect each other first? Daily have all it takes to do his things because daily has about 22 hours, 35 minutes to finish his candle. Meanwhile, these 4 hours have only 2 hours to complete his candle. So which one should play at first? I'm to ask you, which one do you think they're going to play at first? Daily have 22 hours to perform, while these 4 hours has only 2 hours to form his own pattern. So which one do you think that is going to work at first? Do you know that that daily can still attempt to break out of to form the confirmation candle and still reject, and this might be his own pattern? It is possible, but for me, because daily still have a long time, I'm going to focus on what the 4 hours to form his own pattern, because 4 hours has a limited time to close. If these 4 hours fail to form this pattern, that means this pattern is over. If it fails to form this evening star, that means it is already invalidated. No longer an evening star. So if I'm to choose, I will choose these 4 hours first, form his own pattern. Then we will now talk about confirmation candles for the both of them. Meanwhile, daily still have enough time form whatever you want to form. Form this confirmation candle. Have a lot of time, 22 hours. So, meanwhile, if this man failed to take these highs first, that means if he fails to listen to daily to try to break out, because he wants daily breakout, take the highs of this doji and claim this liquidity here. But if he fails to do that, that means they need to form this evening. But for me, I know that this evening is supposed to. Why you need to form is called a caution. This needs to caution people that today market is going to be highly volatile. People need to be cautioned. That's why that's why you saw this doji. Because it's informing you to be aware that we are going to have so many news coming today, so many uncertainty. That's why you saw daily forming a morning star, 4 hours forming an evening star. So pump, dump, likely to happen today. Pump and dump. So if you are trading, they are already cautioning you to be aware that there will be a lot of market indecisions today. They are already warning you that there will be indecisions in the markets. You should be aware. Before night, you will still see appear in the market. Before night, you still see more of doji. Before that 7, you see more doji. More dojis are going to form in the market. Definitely, you're going to see more doji coming. Now, why did the market makers? Why did they close the CME gap last night? What was the reason for them to rush to close CME gap last night? What are they planning? Are they trying to test our intelligence? Are they trying to know that they want to know if we are smart at all? Because the reason behind yesterday night to close CME gap means that the upside is cleared. No leftover gap on CMEs. They have cleared everything. The place is clear. So what is the next for that area? What are we going to likely see? All right, I'm trying to target something, taking something, trying to find. These people do all-time high. I wish that. Are we going to 130 today? Is it possible? Today is not a day to look at anybody, any coin today. Today is a day to look at Bitcoin, to know what the market want to do. Today is a careful day, know what the market's up to. Every meme coin will cannot stand the Bitcoin when the volatility comes. So all our attention should be focusing on Bitcoin. No meme coin can start the volatility of Bitcoin today. So today is a very important day. We need to be extremely focused on Bitcoin. Today is what? We're supposed to dump this week. We're supposed to dump this week. What are they up to? Why did they cover CME? We're supposed to dump this. How far can this pump go? Okay. How fast can it? I will leave this thing like, I'll close this door. Let's see what happens to me. I will leave it here because this is supposed to continuation to be made very well last week. Let's see. Let's see how far it goes. Or going to a strong pattern, a strong move. Let's leave the, let's go back to the daily. So like I said on the daily, for now, the daily still have a whole lot of time to break out. So now all our focus should be on what? 4 hours. 4-hour time. You know, at market yes, paradise to Hulu. But if I pronounce your name very, very long, that's long leg dodgy. Okay. We're talking about this long leg dodgy. It's called an inverted cross dodgy, not a long leg dodgy. A long leg dodgy, we have the body at the center, at the middle. So this one is not at the middle, this one is at the down. Called what? An inverted cross dodgy. An inverted cross dodgy is used to form often. Paradise, I hope you, Facebook, hope you understand what I'm saying. So this is not a long-legged dodgy. This inverted cross dodgy. This one here. This one here is supposed to be a cross dodgy, but because of the level of because it's looking very small, but cross dodgy. So more often, when a cross dodgy want to be used to form an evening star, more often they used to first of all come and take the highs of the dodgy. But if they want to form this kind of dodgy, this kind of evening star, they probably like to use a plus sign dodgy. So because they want to use a plus sign dodgy, they will not take the highs. So that is why I feel like the market makers, they want to use our brain. They now made this cross dodgy to become so tiny, so small. So it will look like it will now look like a plus sign dodgy. So when I saw how small this dodgy is, because a cross dodgy used to be at least used to be longer. It does not hide in the middle of two candles. It's only a plus sign dodgy that used to hide in the middle of 2 candles, which is very tiny dodgy. And they turn this candle into a tiny dodgy. and it's not a plus sign. It is a long. It is a cross sign. A cross sign. A cross doji, but they make it look small and dodgy. So that's why I feel like, okay, if this is the case, that means they want to revisit this man later. I feel like they want to form their pattern first, but they will visit the highs of the doji. I feel like they want to form their pattern first. They might keep this one now as understanding because it have done the work, which is have done the work. Might they keep it as leftover, as standing that they'll come later to revisit. So that's what I feel. Reason why they made this look so tiny. It's not supposed to be so tiny like this. You know, we have different types of dodges, right? We have types of dodgy. We have cross sign dodgy, cross dodgy, inverted cross dodgy, long leg dodgy, size dodgy, dragon fly dodgy, gravestone dodgy. We got a lot of them, right? So it's important that you understand them, their patterns, their body size, their up and down week, what differentiate them from others. So you know whenever they form a pattern, you now know, okay, this dodgy is this one, is this one. Now look at this one now here. This dodgy here and this one, they are the same thing. They are both cross dodgy. You see, this one is not tiny, but this one tiny. Hide in the middle of a 2 coin. This one and one, they are the same thing. They are both cross sign dodgy. They are all cross dodgy. But you see, this one is not tiny. This one is tiny. Now I want to hide this one inside 2 candles. And these are the one of the ways to form a sweet evening star or morning star that year. Before market makers start becoming so smart, they can use anything to form it now. This is how they used to form it that year. So for now, I feel like market want to dump to come first. Like they want to complete this pattern first. If not, they're supposed to have rejected and start pumping and take the highs. But we still have our eyes here. Like I used to tell you people, we don't enter trade early morning. This is 2 hours. Market decision will start once you see 1 hour, 20-something minutes, 1 hour, 30 minutes. Market decision will start. For now, they'll be doing up and down, up and down. Once you see this time now see the market decision. They will start. They want to go up, they start going up. They want to go down, they start going down. That's why I always tell you, don't enter market in the morning. Wait for direction. You enter now, see this thing they are doing. They will keep doing it until this time. Enter 1 hour, 20 something, 1 hour 30 something minutes. See the decision will start. If you want to convert this thing now to green, sharp, they will take the highs immediately. If you want to continue dumping it, you see dumping immediately. So you see it by 1 hour plus. Watch out. Their original decision will start working by 1 hour. For now, they will be playing with you. So they want to fake you out. If you now rush the candle, oh, they want to form evening star. They will end up pumping. Oh, they want to pump it. They end up forming evening star. So you just allow them 1 hour plus, 1 hour 20 minutes, 1 hour 30 minutes to enter. That is when the original decision starts. They'll be moving up and down. Go to lower time frame, 5 hours, 5 minutes, 15 minutes. You see what I'm telling you. You'll be seeing those movements. Go up, come down, go up, come down. See them up and down. Nothing more. They are just like they are consolidating. Up and down, up and down. Not going anywhere. Once you enter 1 hour plus, now you see. Go to lower time frame, now you see action are happening. So for today, we are going to be very careful. Bitcoin is going to give us a 2 movement today. Market is going to pump. Market is going to. So I will advise you to be very careful with this market. Dump is coming. Pump is coming. It's going to be very, very volatile market today. But I know that dump will start soon. dump will start soon. When it's getting to very close to maybe getting close to second 4 hours of Asia, market will be moving one direction. Then UK time things will start changing. So be very careful. If you cannot trade this volatility, wait until they finish the FMC meeting. Longers and shorters will be liquidated today. Only people that are doing sport are safe. Only sport people are safe. Shorters and longers are not safe. Only sport people. Until at the top or the bottom, market will short. If you want to enjoy the short, it is from Asian time to UK time. When we are approaching New York, market will be dumping, but volatility will increase, unlike what you're going to see from Asia and UK time. New York will increase the volatility. So how do me want to trade today? Scalping. I want to just be scalping. If my head is full, I give up. If I use all my strategies today, they want to play me, I give up for them. To continue this up and down. If I'm not getting anything from the scalping, I leave the market for them. Because right now, they will be playing this thing till when they are ready to move to one direction. A time will come now when they will start moving to one direction. Because Bitcoin is going to dump before they will reverse it. Now they have covered CME gap. So they will open their heart to dump. They will dump till the time they feel like they want to pump. What if they fail to cut the rate today? After the market volatility, while Jerome Powell is reading the speech, giving his speech, once he failed to cut the rates, I said it yesterday, so the kind of dump you will see is going to happen like evil spirits. It will be so aggressive because everybody will be disappointed. People are not actually trusting that man right now. Again, I was asking myself, why did they rush to close the CME? Does it mean that they don't want to pump this market today? Why did they rush to close CME gap? This CME gap can be closed while Jerome Powell is reading his this thing. Why are they rushing it? So there's something they know that we don't know, but we're going to see all today. There's no CME gap anymore up there. The upside is clear. So let's be careful. I need to find out why they rushed to close CME gap so early. In the course of today's trade, reason why they did what they did. But however, it is what it is. Maintain your scalping level. Get good entry. I have taught you guys where they have liquidities. Get all the liquidity zones. Anywhere I see the liquidity, those weak, all those weak, like this thing now. This is look at what I'm talking about. Like this, you are seeing right now. This is weak. This candle weak or shadow. See this kind of thing, this kind of rejection. Come here. All right. You see this kind of rejections. You don't play with them. Anywhere I see the market have such a rejection, this one now, you see this what's it called? Seal. Very soon now you see it. Come here, take the lows and reject again. because this man is calling him to come. This is liquidity. It's going to come here. So these are the targets you'll be having. Now ask yourself, where can the market possibly go? Where do we have liquidities? Where do we have orders that this guy are going to go? Target them. This one must come. Now target it. If market is stepping down, this guy is stepping down, you are sure that it must come here. That means market must dump down here. Let's say market is dumping. Come here, he hits here. Yet you are not supposed to worry. You know that it's going to come here first. Must take this low. As long as it's dumping, take this low and take it and bounce. Yet go up. These are ways to know what to do, how to catch the market movement, where market is going. If this man takes here and he keep proceeding down, you should know that it's going to come to this leftover again. This is leftover. No, it's going to come here. These are called what? Support levels. Are supports. Are liquidity. Where people use their money to hide. Where people hide their hidden orders. Their leftover. So if we are coming down now, aggressively down, and this man hit here, reject, continue again. Next is here. I hit it and reject as well. So these are simple ways to get your entries. So you will know where to enter market. Let's say guy here. And form double from right now. This lower high has not taken. So if we are dumping now, take this man. Dumping. Take this man. So that we're going to also take. So that they're going to take them. That when market is dumping, oh, we're dumping. So let's say you failed to enter the market earlier while market is dumping. Now we are getting close to liquidity and you want to come and enter the market. You are a joker. As long as we're getting close to liquidity, you want to enter market. Maybe you enter market might even reject and start pumping back here and liquidate you. So how do you enter market when market is on a trend? Target all those, know where to enter. There are places we call free ride. There are places market does not have any form of support or resistance. You have to target those free rides. Market is on a free movement. You cannot come and enter market right here. When I enter here at this point, because of this liquidity, this support, I hit it back. It will start pumping, turning back. While it's returning back, it will liquidate you first. And it will return as far as back to this place and continue again. And come to attempt it again. I still attempt it and it will reject again. To come again. After he broke it. Now, you know that when he broke it, the next target is this. So now you can see a free ride. And run a free ride after here has been taken. Once here is taken, they are now turned to what? Resistance. Now turned to resistance for the market that is going down. If the market wants to reject, if it comes here, hit it back again to go down. They have turned to resistance. So you should learn to know where to enter market, especially when you want to do scalping. As market is dumping now, want to do scalping. If this is dumping right now, so we come here, clear this small one, and clear this big one. Can clear this big one and reject back and come again. So you're scalping, so you know how to scalp. You can enjoy your scalp market. So you know where to enter, not to enter. All right, so Bitcoin is maintaining his what? Maintaining his 4 hours evening star. Bitcoin is maintaining his 4 hours evening star. It's because it daily has all it takes to form his own confirmation. So we are maintaining the evening star first, but we're still waiting for 1 hour to see next one around 1 hour plus. We're going to see evening star is going to form complete or if it's. So we're still watching, but for me, I feel like this evening star will form first for whatever confirmation. I feel like this evening star will complete. So please maintain your scalping level today. Maintain scalping. Don't chase candle. You must chase candle. Target liquidity zones. So you will never enter when market is approaching a rejection level. Don't go and enter market when market is approaching. Market is now dumping. You did not enter here now that is forming this pattern. Not enter here. Once it's dumping, coming down here, coming here, coming here. I want to enter here. What if he comes here and reject and start coming back here again? Nowhere to enter market. You cannot enter while we are here. While we are here. While we are here. While we are. All these are rejections which can bounce the market back. All those, anytime you see all this long bottle of a candle, they are forming you to stay away. You're not doing them already. These are places markets. Example, 4 hours. Bitcoin is dumping. Bitcoin is dumping. This will be a worry to Bitcoin. Bitcoin breaks here. Be a worry to Bitcoin. Breaks here. And is here. Breaks them. So guy is here. All those things are rejections. They are the things waiting for the market. These are places market need to visit back. Market need to. So if you are dumping now, clear here, going to clear here, come here, all these places. So any of these things can reject the market upward. Any of them can reject the market. That's why where you enter the market matters a lot. When you enter, that's a lot. You enter at the wrong place. Don't go and enter where market is about to hit a support level. Don't go and enter at support. What if market rejected the support now, bounce it back, and start pushing the market back upward? What are you going to do? So learn to know where to enter your trade. Know when we approach this resistant level. You cannot be approaching resistant and want to enter market. What if it rejects? You cannot be approaching support level and want to enter market. What if it rejects? Here is a support level, and you're entering here. What if this thing rejects the market up again? Whatever you're doing, the market earlier. So it can come here and bounce and reject and start. Come again and attempt again, and it can still reject again. Come again and reject, and it not break it. Third time, fourth time, not break it. Are going to the next rejection zone. Next rejection. Here can still. GM Cooker or Lomin Woman, how you doing? How is you doing? Okay. Of God. Today. Thank you. Thank you. We are going to be back again in the middle of the. We're going to watch the FOMC speech. We're going to comment. We're going to like. We're going to contribute. So you have all it takes to. You can join us on the space. Tell us your bias today. Are you feeling that we're going to pump more than 130 today? Yeah, 130K. Or you feel like we're going to dump today? Do you think why did they close the CME gap last night? Do you think about it? What do you think was the reason why the CME gap? Can come to the space, let's talk, or can come later during the time of FOMC. Why this one, the two spaces will be on today by the help of God. Where we're going to be watching live the FOMC meeting, making our contributions, making our analysis, and looking for a way to catch our trades today. Please be very careful. High leverage is a no-no today. High leverage is a no-no. Don't do it. I'm talking to myself, Valentine, today. Amen. Don't do high leverage, my people. It's not good. It's gonna wreck you today. Because today's market is gonna be crazy. So please don't do high leverage. Must succeed today. So that's all I have for you today. We are watching 4 hours. In the next 1 hour to 30 something minutes to 20 minutes, this movement will start. Not the next movement. Therefore, in the market today, stay safe, do your scalping. If you cannot hold your chest today, because I'm going to see volatility today, up and down. You will see something like this happening in the market. Market is dumping. All of a sudden, it is done. Go up. It will this. They will be triggering all the orders, stop losses. This is what they'll be doing today in the market. They will do until they come and relax. They will trigger every stop losses, all the orders, all the liquidity. They will go and liquidate them. They will do so many crazy things today because this is the day everyone has been waiting. 17th of September, the day, and we are there already. So USDT dominance. What are you saying? Before we leave. USDT dominance. Okay, yesterday. Yeah. Left here. So what is likelihood they have taken this up? How up can this up can you come to this resist? This candle is not good. Candle showing that we're going to dump it. As in USDT dominance is going to dump. This candle is showing that USDT dominance. Likelihood. Back to this order. Showing that we're going to dump. I'm talking about USDT dominance dumping, no, not market. Nice, market is going to pump. USDT will dump. After this 4 hours movement, bullish. After all these 4 hours, and kiss down. USDT dominance is USDT dominance is going to dump today. That means the market is going to pump. Coin. How did Bitcoin dominance fry up and kind of jump? See how this man jumped left gap here. How Bitcoin this is a gap, right? What does it mean? It means that Bitcoin dominance means that Bitcoin dominance is going to dump. I'm going to cover this CME gap. Bitcoin dominance jumped fence 4 hours. Jumped fence. Jumped fence. Therefore, it's going to come back and kiss this man. It's going to come back to kiss leftover. Right here. So this one have taken. This one is waiting for you. This Oga. Finish what he did. Come back here. On the process of coming back to meet this man. Now cover this gap. Rated. They understood. You understand what I'm saying, guys? You understand? Trading is going to be join. Take your time to study. Time to study charts. Watch YouTubes of people, analysts, then analysts. Watch their YouTubes. And yourself live to improve your trading skill. Watch different YouTubes. To watch some of my videos, some of the live stream, because I don't know how to create one day creating dedicating videos that can be put. Because this live stream, most of the live stream of Facebook does not last. After some time, Facebook will remove. I will need to create more videos for people where I'm going to point out all these things. All these things I mark on Ethereum. I'm going to mark it. I'm going to give a detailed analysis and teach you how to catch trade. Right? We are improving every day by day, trying to submit trades that we have. Because it is our business, this is what we call our career. This is what we are expecting to give us money, make us rich. We have to dedicate our time to it. We want this thing to bless our lives. We want this thing to change our family. We want this thing to buy us private jets, buy us houses, build us business empire. Therefore, you have to put your all in this chart, on this chart. You have to put everything, dedicate your time to study. If I can show you my this thing right here, I have sometimes it used to be 5. I wish I can make video and post this morning, show people as I'm doing this analysis, the level of I show you the level of computers I'm watching, just to level of commitment, money I invest just to teach you So you don't have any reason why you should not invest your own time in this. You are just to buy one. For me, I have 5 laptops plus the big screen plus phones. I'm still using 10 charts just to make sure that I teach. I'm investing a lot of money. You don't have any reason why you should not invest your time to this thing. This will make you money. You must not be a trader, must not be a future trader. You can be a sport trader, but you need to know this. You can be a successful sport trader if you don't know charts. You'll be doing gazing. You'll be doing a guesswork. You'll be doing gambling. You try and error. Is it going to work? It's not going to work. That's what you'll be doing. You cannot be a sport trader if you don't know charts. You need to know this chart very well to be a good sport trader. This guy, how did I trade this guy? When he come out, I saw everybody posting it on the, yeah. I caught for my community. All of them were making noise. I say, see this, all these moves. Immediately I saw this chart. I shot the market. Because they were all making noise. I called it. I said this one's not even no market. This thing, where did they talk? It's about to dump. Got it there. Right, I broken the 6-1. Now it's at 5% of golden ratio. Let's see here now. Coming back here. From that pattern to move. So whether you're a sport trader or whether you are a future trader, you must learn these charts. Because some people will just be buying, yes, oh, I guess this coin, they have a good utility. I guess they have this, it's going to pump. That's what some of them are trading. They are doing try and error. So you need to put your time if you must be a crypto or forex trader. Whether you are not trading futures or you are doing investment on spot, you have to learn this chart. So you know when to put your money on a coin and know when to leave. You have to learn a whole lot. Watch different YouTubes from different men, different analysts, not only me. Watch different persons. You will learn from them. There must be something you will grab. Be it SMC or be it ICT, be it whatever thing they are using, whatever pattern they are using. Must be something you will learn from them. That will so our business. This is what we call our business. This is what we want to do. And this is profitable. So why don't we dedicate up? While we are failing, we are finding solutions why we should not fail anymore. Now, somebody can no longer tell you, as an OG who is my follower, that this AVNT is going to come back here. Somebody cannot tell you that anymore, because I have taught you that this is liquidity. This is a leftover. This is rejection. You see, I don't need anyone to tell you the market is going to come back here. They are going to come back here to take it. Don't need anybody to teach you anymore, because you already know that this man must come back here. After he finishes whatever he's doing, he's going to come back here. Now, what is it trying to do now? It's trying to take the lows of this dodge. After I take this lows of this dodge, it can reject, because this is what we call resistance. It can take these lows now and reject and start pumping, because this is 50% ratio right now. It can hit the lows, take the lows, and reject and start pumping. It can still come here and take this one and try to also move down here. So when market is going one direction, what you do now is to be watching, knowing where and where am I expecting this market to touch. Know that, oh, okay, it's coming down. This man is not free. It's going to touch here. And it's not free. It's going to likely touch all these places. Now, after it, market have reversed and start going up. Don't need anybody to tell you that, oh, market will come here. It's resistance. come here, and the last one. After I take this man, I go and create a new all-time high and create a new order. So leftover one have been taken. Now go and create a new for the market and leave it there back again. Because before the market will leave here, this down now, before it will leave here, it's going to create a new order for it to move. For the market to move up now, for this guy will move up, it's going to create something. It's going to keep anywhere it's going to reject, whether it's going to reject here or here or here. It must create something that will be left for next time. There will be something that they're going to drop for next time when I'm going to revisit. So I believe that we are all improving. I believe that you are coming to the space. It's not going to be in vain. You learn one thing or the other. Come to the space. They check T. Wow. What's happening? Low liquidity. Low liquidity. So this man, and after this man had this, told you this, came and take it off. Yeah, you see, they came after this man off. Right? So let's say made this coin when it was listed. But I think this should be the listing day. July 25. Let me see. I don't know if this chart is complete. Let me use Mexi. Complete. So this man was created July, right? Now, inside the July, while this guy was created, that Mexi is red, while the other ones is green. Now, when this man was created, let's say saw this thing happen. Saw this and came and do all-time low. Nobody should tell you that man taken. When did they took it, right? After they took it, they have left this standing. One day you see them pop back. So there are orders, there are money, there are liquidity. Orders left. One day they will come after them. They will see that this guy has done all-time high. Now come and take it. So for this coin is trying to daily pattern, low liquidity. Yes, this must. Then depends what Bitcoin is pumping today because of this. Come and pump and take quite well. It up. Don't know how far Bitcoin take all this. Go so go as far as taking more. And the kind of liquidity that comes in to this market. But for now, it's forming a reversal pattern on the daily. What happens to it at the end of the day? 4 hours is showing a very low liquidity. very low liquidity. Volume is so right. Remember, I said yesterday that Binance is delisting big and high fee today. Don't forget to check out your money. These two coins will be delisted today. Big and high fee. They were going to delist it today, right? So trade it with caution today before the delisting date. Date is today, 17th. Don't know, even know the time. Let me see the time. So Binance is delisted by 11. By 11. Don't know if it is my 11 or probably should be big. Would say that int 11. Pay attention. Probably it's going to be 11. Pay attention to the 10. Guys will be I still have little money. Fine. Hope they will. Wish they will pump it more, but they will delete. Just Banana 31. Yesterday I got notification. One was trying to move along in bondage. Yesterday I saw it pumping. A long time. Blessing people. So yesterday it started making small pumps. So it's looking bullish today, right? Looking bullish. Okay. So we don't know how far this nigga gonna pump. But all you should have in your mind is that this nigga one day it's going to take all this ice. The one day pump it. So one day you see it coming to take all this ice. You can just pay attention and put it in your watch list. This morning it have done 4.7%. So we are about entering 1 hour 30 minutes. So from 1 hour 30 minutes to 1 hour 20 minutes, the market will start giving us the original movements of the market. If the market want to pump, it will start pumping. If you want to dump, it will start dumping. So the market movement is getting closer to action. Action time is coming. We're going to see actually if market want to go up or if want to go down very soon. For now, that is all I have for you. First Asia candle, nothing much is going to happen today. Morning, second candle, and the New York, sorry, UK. Then something will start. So let's watch the closure of this first 1 hour. This one close. We'll now watch the second candle of second 4 hours of Asia. What happens? But do not forget, we have closed CME gap last night, and we are expecting meeting, FOMC meeting today. Liquidities very well packed here. Why this one? I have a whole lot of liquidity. Yeah. I did not even check the altcoin. I'll tell you what's up. How did we create? How did the market create this kind of gap? This same gap that happened on this thing is gap that I saw on Bitcoin, also on altcoin going on. See that market did something crazy last night. How did they jump on? I've covered it. Just covered it. I saw this thing I could have looked for altcoin I could have longed. Covered the gap. Gap is already covered. Bitcoin dominance have not covered this. Covered this one. This gap is already. Started on the daily. Either bullish or bearish. Going to pump and going to have a pump and either bullish or bearish. Going to pump, going to dump. That means altcoin are going to altcoin dominance down to from 80 something downward level. Liquidity heading up and down. The money, shorters and longers are there. The money, all of them, a lot of money. They will clear all these things today. Clear this one here. Nobody will save. You see here, they will wipe everything. Shorters and longers. They will deal with everybody. See this one, all these things. Wipe all of them. All. Very careful. Hours of on is this far bearish. Dogecoin. most of the altcoins are very bearish. 4 hours. So daily of OKB. OKB is saying that liquidity will flow in and out. Something with hyperliquid. Also saying the same. Money will flow in and out. It will come into it will go out. We're going to do pump and dump into OKB according to hyperliquid. Okay, guys, thank you very much. Said market is now moving. Ready. We're already moving. I've entered 1 hour 20. Ready, action. Action has started. It is now ready. At the time. Time has come. Action. So from now till this 4 hours close, market have entered action. So that's why we don't rush market when candle open. If you wait for 1 hour, 1 hour 20, action will start. This is the action time for the market. So every one of you, thank you for coming out today. Thank you. Everyone on Facebook, YouTube, Twitch, X, appreciate all of you coming. Thank you. IB Dissento, wanted candle. Thank you, Baba Asiri, Hooker, all of you. Thanks for coming. Somebody's son, Entan, Bori, Sabrina, and Niger because thank you guys, every one of you, for your time and your dedication. Action has started. The market is pumping. The market is beginning to pump. It's action time. I told you people, right? 1 hour 20, 1 hour 30 minutes. Action starts. People know how I study all these things. You don't know how I study to know all this time. When market will pump, when market will dump, when market action will start. Time for you to go in and research. See how I told people once we get to 1 hour 20, 1 hour 30 minutes, market will start moving. Now it's moving. So learn yourself. This is your business. This is what we call business. This is what you want to give. You want this thing to give you money. Invest your time. Study time frame. Study time. What time does market move? Study candles. Study patterns. Dedicate your time. If not, in few years, why God will be helping us, so you also be among those that God will help, because we are all learning. I'm still learning. All right, I'm still learning to become to every state that happening on this trading view. So also do well to do that. But this is your business. What we call our business. Make our life better. Give us money. So we need to put all our effort towards studying candle. Bitcoin is now moving at that time. Time for it, action time. At the time, 1 hour 20 time. Market to move. From now, market will start moving till next 4 hours. It keep moving now. Action now. Now slow again. Pump slow. Wait for another 1 hour something. Action again. So learn all these things and help yourself. Have a beautiful day, every one of you. If you have any comment, any question, come to X, Topvee Media on X, and give us your contributions, your suggestions, what you think about today's market. If you have any insider information about what Powell is going to say today, please come and share with us. we need help. Want to blow, want to make it, and help us. Help us. So the time is now. So we can position before power will come and give us speech. Thank you guys, and have a beautiful day ahead. See you guys again tomorrow, same time, same station, same place, and same.
To show us light in the darkest nights, taught us value, gave us sight. You gave us bread when we had none, taught us coins how to rise and run. From broken dreams to blockchain schemes, you built a family, you built a team. You never asked for anything back, you paved the way, lit every track. Oh, you're the legend we need, the crypto lord setting lives free. Oh, you believe in eating soul for truth and strategy. Thank you for the fight, for the need to know you want, the lives you want. You're the matter of kings, it starts on crypto wings. You fed our mouths and fed our minds, taught us wealth from charts and signs. From growing notes, from fear to gain, you taught us how to rise to pain. You gave your time, you gave your all, you taught us each time we would fall. Now we shine cause you said we could, now we stay cause you said we should. Oh, now you're the legend we speak, the crypto lord setting lives free. Oh, now you believe in me, eating soul for truth and strategy. Oh, the fight for the need to know you want, all the lives you want. You're the matter of kings, it was on crypto wings. You're a light guide, you're through every fight in a world of things. You stay true, I'm never great. There's yours and you. Oh, you're the legend we need, the crypto lord setting lives free. Oh, you believe in me, beating soul for truth and strategy. All the needs you want, all the lives you want. You're the matter of kings, it starts on crypto wings. To the CEO of Topvee Media, to the analysts, the techie, the mentors, we honor you today for your sacrifices, your selfless love, your wisdom. Thank you for building us. We'll carry the fire against the earth.